Paki-double check ang mga dalang gamit bago lumabas ng tren at mag-ingat sa paghakbang sa pagitan ng tren at ng platform. Taft Avenue na po, Taft Avenue, last station. Pintuan sa kaliwa magbubukas.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone, this is Aliyah and welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you another trip in Manila. So from Pasay, Taft Avenue MRT station going to Naiya Terminal 3, and after that from Naiya Terminal 3 going to Quezon City. So I hope that you will enjoy watching this video, and thank you so much for coming back. Here we go. Now we are approaching Taft Avenue MRT station, EDSA, Pasay. So from here, we will walk a little bit going to the bus terminal. So that is the bus going to Naiya Terminal 3. From here, it will take only 10 minutes going to the airport. So here we go again. So, eto, papasok na ako sa loob kasi susunduin ko yung asawa ko. O, diba? Now you can see there are lots of people waiting for their loved ones. So you know the feeling that you are waiting for your beloved one. Yeah, I'm waiting for my husband. He's coming from Dubai, and you know, it's so exciting because it's been a year that I haven't seen him. I haven't seen him talaga, no. Yun nga lang ang nangyari, Nasa labas na pala siya. Antay ako ng antay dun sa loob. Dumaan pala siya sa ibang gate. So, hindi ko na siya na-videohan kasi nga pagod siya. Kaya, isi-share ko na lang sa inyo ang aming travel going to Quezon City, and I hope that you will enjoy the beautiful sceneries around. Thank you once again.
Sasakyan namin doon, yung asawa ko yan. Kasi doon siya pati anak ko. Malinis ang loob. Magdi daw siya sa sasakyan. Sabi ko, hindi naman. Pero yung ano na, yung ayos ka na tapos pagpasok mo sa sasakyan, ang dumi-dumi.
Ay, yan talaga ang ayaw ko sa lahat.
So, ayan, kwento-kwentuhan habang nasa biyahe. Ako naman ay nakikimarites lang. Marites talaga no? So, let's enjoy the beautiful sceneries along the road. Ang kagandahan kasi sa biyahe namin na ito is that hindi gaano matraffic. So, smooth ang aming travel going to our destination. So, ayan, thank you so much for staying until the end.